Hello and welcome to MGD CNC India. Today we are here at NG Max Show, standing in front of Reneshaw stall with Mr. Mayur Bhatt, and he is
Right.
going to tell us what kind of solutions Reneshaw is providing for CNC machine tools. Thank you, sir. Thank you for your time. Please
Thank you for
elaborate what
calling me.
kind of solution you are showcasing to your customer here at this CNC machine.
In this machine, we are showcasing our spindle probe and tool setting probes. Spindle probes are there for your 2D inspections on the machine, taking XY offsets and aligning your job. There are other tool setting probes which are there to take your diameters of the tool, lengths of the tools, and the breakage of the tools. Basically, we call it as the simplest form of automation. See, if we call automation, there are many things which are involved in automation, but this is the most simplest, most economical form of automation which can reduce your scrap rates, which can increase your productivity. So the tools what we are displaying over here are for that concept only. First part first, okay. When you take the component out of the machine, your component needs to be as per the dimensions, as per the mean values what you are described. So we are showcasing all those products over here.
Can you please elaborate more on what kind of application this is for the benefit of the listeners or maybe your prospect end customer? What kind of applications they can use your products?
The application band for probes are very wide. It can be used for any sort of application. You consider die and mold, you consider medical, you consider aerospace, you consider general manufacturing. For all sort of applications, you can use probes. Wherever you are having a machine, you can use the probes.
Fantastic. So right now we are in NG Max. So what kind of queries are coming from your customers here who are walking in and asking you about what kind of questions they're
Basically,
asking?
the customers are facing the issues of scrap rates and reworks. And manual dependency on their shop floor is one of the biggest challenge, because manpower, skilled manpower is one of the biggest challenge what right now industry is facing. So we are also same catering the same thing. You can increase your
Definitely.
productivity with less manpowers by using the probes on the machine itself.
Definitely, I think when you reduce the manpower, you are less dependent on human errors, right? And with this kind of automation, not only productivity increase, quality of the product will also increase.
Definitely,
So
sir.
it's a double benefit for
Double
them.
benefit. And we have a tagline: manual driven manufacturing is not required, it has to be process driven manufacturing.
Fantastic, sir. Thank you, sir. Thanks for this beautiful explanation.
Thank you,
Thanks
sir.
a lot.
Thank you, sir.